Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I'm using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Welcome back. If you are going to use Google Drive in order to store your archive, you're going to want to be aware that as of the recording of this video, a search within Google Drive will not necessarily look inside of your individual documents. And so you will need to take an extra step to make sure that you can find the information inside of your documents once you save them and use them in Google Drive. You can take that extra step inside of all of your documents by going inside of the document. And when you open the side panel, you're going to see that there's going to be an element here for Google Keep. You're going to open that element. What you'll do is to go to this area that says take a note. Now you can choose to title this particular note or you can leave it blank. What we're then going to do is to write in a title and write in a note. And if you want to write some additional notes in, you can. Otherwise, we're going to click Done. And our note is now present. We're then going to visit Google Keep. Once you are inside of Google Keep, you're going to go to the note that you placed. You're going to go to the ellipsis. You are then going to add in a label. And you want to create a label name. You will then see that your document is then labeled. You will also see the labels that you place here on the left side menu. Now the document itself is clickable within the note. And if you click on top of the document name, you will see all the tags associated with the document here in this area. And if you want to write in additional notes to make it more searchable, you can make it searchable here in this area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.